There's N-Star actually doing their job this time. Thank you, N-Star. We're filming the mass devastation. And we are driving over the water right now. We are driving over the water on a bridge. I am so scared. I repeat, I am fucking scared. As we're driving along and taping the mass devastation. Here come the police. They're fucking crazy. They have a little piggy. Hello. People are devastated. Most people lost their home. That they had to come out and see. You know, something allowed right there. You can't go and see stuff. These people are crazy too. You're crazy. Some more mass devastation. Oh, there's a car behind us. Oh my lord! This tree is uprooted! Uprooted trees is never a good thing. Oh my god, how are these people gonna get up their roads? Their fancy cars can't handle such devastation as this. I don't know how we're gonna make it. We need to get home. We had to be stopped in the middle of the road because there's a tree in it. Now we're backing up. We're backing up very slowly. He's mowing his lawn! Who mows their lawn in such devastating times? I'd like to know. Those people have a tree on their fucking house. Over there's a tree on a house and they've blocked off the entire bloody street. Up ahead we have a fucking bulldozer cleaning up the devastation. Okay, little guy, we're in a hurricane. Come on, stop pooping everywhere. He doesn't know what to do, he just keeps pooping. The hurricane has nearly raped our gazebo of all of its outer layers. And it's even made our pool turn green. A festering color not suitable for human use. As we look over here, we see that this hurricane has taken one of our neighbors' pride red trees. And as we look over here, we find that the hurricane has blown this lonely sandal into our front yard. Whoever's sandal it is has one lonely foot.